How to create a constant zoom in and out in After Effects. Creating a constant zoom in and out effect in After Effects is quite straightforward and adds a really nice touch to your edit. But how do you create this effect? Let's dive right into the process. Firstly, you will need clips. Quite logical. What you need to do now is select the first clip and press S to open the scale keyframes. Then, go to the beginning of the clip using the shortcut I and create a keyframe with a value of 175. Now, navigate to the end of the clip with the shortcut O and set a keyframe there with a value of 100, which is the default value. Next, select both keyframes and apply Easy Ease using the shortcut F9. Move to the graph editor and choose the edit value graph. Follow my graph for a smooth, constant zoom. Feel free to experiment to see what best suits your vision. You will notice the movement looks very smooth. Now, at the beginning of the second clip, create a keyframe for scale with a value of 175. And then, go to the end with the shortcut O. Set there a keyframe for scale with a default value of 100. Select all the keyframes, apply Easy Ease with F9. And then, go to the edit value graph. Adjust as needed for a smooth zoom out effect. Again, experimenting with this graph might yield different results. Don't forget to turn on motion blur. If the effect isn't smooth enough for you, consider using the transform effect, where you can add more motion blur by setting the shutter angle to its maximum value. And here we go, you've now created a very nice constant zoom in and out in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.